In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for literature review. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, frame an effective research question, read the AI summary confidently, and verify sources before you use them in your work. First, open a Perplexity account. Creating an account helps you keep a history of your queries and revisit previous threads, which is especially useful when you're building a literature review over time. Once you're signed in, you'll land on a simple interface with a prominent search bar. Next, enter your research question in the search bar. For this demo, let's use Impact of AI on this generation. Aim for a clear, focused question. If you already know your scope, such as a specific age group, region, or sector, you can include that in the question to reduce noise. A precise question guides the model toward the most relevant studies and commentary. After you submit your query, Perplexity will generate an AI summary at the top. Read this carefully. It's a synthesized overview that points to key themes, findings, and debates. Right below or alongside the summary, you'll see cited sources. These are crucial. Click into them to open the original articles, reports, or papers. Skimming abstracts, executive summaries, and conclusions can help you quickly decide what's worth deeper reading. Use the conversation box to ask follow-up questions in the same thread if you need clarification or want a different angle. The context helps the model refine its answers. Before you copy anything into your notes or manuscript, always verify the source. Check who published it and where it appeared. Peer-reviewed journals, established academic presses, and recognized research organizations add credibility. Look at the author's credentials and affiliations, confirm the publication date to ensure recency, and scan the methodology for sound sample sizes and transparent limitations. If a claim is surprising or highly consequential, cross-check it with at least one additional reputable source. When possible, open the primary study rather than relying on a secondary blog or news summary. If you want more data or the latest evidence, add more detail to your topic and run another query. You can specify that you're looking for recent studies, name a time frame like the last 2 years, or narrow to a domain such as education, healthcare, or the labor market. The more context you provide, the more targeted the results will be, helping you build a thorough, up-to-date literature map. That's it. With an account set up, a clear question, careful reading of the AI summary, diligent source verification, and a bit of refinement, Perplexity can streamline your literature review while keeping academic rigor front and center.